LangChain beginner use case in Python. You've heard about AI. You've heard about LangChain. But how does a beginner actually use it? Let's see a simple example. Imagine you want to build a small AI assistant in Python. Without LangChain, you would need a lot of complex code. With LangChain, it becomes easy. Basic steps. Install LangChain. Connect it to an AI model. Send a question. Get an intelligent answer. Just a few lines of Python code. Example use case. You create a program where the user types. Explain artificial intelligence in simple words. LangChain sends this to the AI model and returns a clear response. No complicated setup. No heavy coding. Beginners can build simple chatbots, question-answer apps, text summarizers, small AI tools. In minutes. The truth. LangChain helps beginners turn AI ideas into real applications. Quickly and easily. Start small. Build smart.